Here we will see comments in Python. Comments in Python is the inclusion of short description along with the code to increase its readability. A developer uses them to write his or her thought process while writing it. It explains the basic logic behind why a particular line of code was written. Comments are written for the coders themselves or other developers to understand a piece of code, especially since the Python interpreter completely ignores comments in Python. Comments are generally used for the following purpose: code readability, explanation of the code or metadata of the project, prevent execution of code, and to include resources. There are different advantages of using comments in Python. Comments in Python provide numerous advantages. Some of them are: it makes the code easily understandable by other programmers. When the comment is written with the code, it becomes self-explanatory. It helps to remember why we use specific command, method or function in the code. It enables the interpreter to ignore some part of the code while testing. There are three types of comments: single line, multi-line and docstring comment. First is single line comment. Single line comments begin with hash character. Anything that is written in a single line after hash is considered as a comment. The syntax for writing single line comment is hash and then the comment. For example, hash, this is a comment, and then print statement. Or you can write first print statement and then hash and the comment. Next is multi-line comments. Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hash for each line. For example, hash, this is a comment written in multi-line, and after that it will write print welcome. Using string literal. Python ignores the string literals that are not assigned to a variable. So we can use these string literals as a comment. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string with triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. For example, triple quotes, then this is a comment written in more than just one line, and again to enclose it, again 3 triple quotes, and after that print welcome. Next is Python docstring. Python docstring is a string literal with triple quotes that are appeared right after the function. It is used to associate documentation that has been written with Python modules, functions, classes and methods. It is added right below the function, modules or classes to describe what they do. In Python, the docstring is then made available via _doc_attribute. For example, here multiply function is defined, then a comment line is written, then value of a into b is written, and then the docstring can be available with print multiply dot underscore doc underscore.